Oh, wow. Pele, where did you find all those turtles?
Madam, we was going early morning around 6 o'clock fishing. And this, you know, madam, this was with this net. Look.
Oh,
This
really?
way. The crow and dogs was chasing them.
Okay.
Dog and crow was chasing them.
Uh-huh.
God bless me to save these baby turtles.
Oh, wow.
And now we are going to release them.
They're so cute.
Yes.
Well, thank
And
God you
God
saved
is
them.
very great.
Ah,
Jesus is there. Otherwise, this all eaten by dogs.
yeah, it's so cool that you protect
Yes,
them.
ma'am. We
That's
are
awesome.
very lucky and blessed to release
You're the best fisherman. Really.
them. Yeah, Baba.
That's so important.
Scissor bhi. Hey, scissor bhi.
Oh, look at them. That's perfect, really.
Yeah, ma'am.
Save the environment, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am telling this message to the world. We are releasing this, and we are asking the whole world. We want peace in the world, and especially, madam, it's this message come in my brain. Friend of mine, fisherman, telling me there is place called Betul, South Goa. I heard there is a new coal hub is coming,
Okay.
and I am begging and praising our
Awareness?
Prime Minister of India.
Okay.
Please don't bring any coal in Goa, especially in South Goa. The fishermen in Goa living with a fishing livelihood,
Yes.
and also our tourism is living with a tourism life. So if the coal come in south Goa, place called Betul, what I heard from my fisherman and friend, I beg him, please off that, because we don't want more coal. It's already somewhere in Welsam, Vasco, and my fishermen friends are suffering. The
Yeah.
fish is dying.
Oh,
So
no.
I hope really when we are rescue this baby, madam, when we are rescue this baby turtles,
Yeah.
our Prime Minister get this message, please don't bring coal. If they bring coal and make one person rich in this world, all traditional fishermen will suffering. You know, because coal is very bad for this environment. Look, not even one we made them not to die. Because there is no pollution in our Goa water.
Yes.
Our Goa water, sea water is very, very clean.
That's good.
You know, ma'am?
Because we eat the fish and we want to be healthy. We want to have
Yes,
healthy
ma'am,
fish.
that's true. You know, that's
Everything
true.
is connected.
Baba, ek usko bhi chhod rahe, Baba.
Yes. No, you're doing a good job. Look at those.
Yeah, my all.
And it means the world for them. They're so cute.
Yes, ma'am. Look, otherwise, if dog eating this, what can be happen? You know, and I am sending this message even world, ma'am. Please don't destroy sea like
Yeah.
pollution. You see, ma'am.
Yes.
This is what we are releasing now. Look, can you see it?
Oh, wow.
This is Baba kayak niche dal, and we are not using even motor boat, ma'am. We are going with a hand rowing with kayak.
Really?
We are kayak because otherwise smell petrol and they might die with a petrol.
Wow.
That's the reason we are doing with manual.
You have so much compassion.
Yes, Baba.
That's awesome. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. That's so cool.
Boss, yo. So that you sit on that.
Okay.
चल लोक रे बाबा ए बेगे लोक रे बाबा लोक रे
लोक बाबा तू काय का जरूर किती
तू मेजर चल Yeah, good one. Very nice. Good man.
स्टार्ट करू
Jesus, we love you. We
Yes.
love you, Jesus.
Thank
we
you,
are
Jesus.
so happy that you sent me the same time to rescue this baby turtles.
That's
And we love
awesome.
to rescue this. Come, Baba.
Yeah. Every life counts. Everything is connected. The oceans. Wow. Yeah, he's keeping them safe.
We love you, Jesus. We love you, Jesus. We love you, Jesus. We love you, Jesus. We love you.
Om Namah Shivaya. Thank Jesus.
आता परत काटा आने का ये चालूच दोरूया
Oh, that's so cool.
Ma'am, now we are rescue them in good water, shallow water, calm water. So from the waves, they don't hit back.
Yeah.
So we don't want any of them damaged.
Okay, okay.
Understand, no, ma'am?
Yes.
Look how we are releasing them, ma'am. Can you see?
Wow. Oh, very gentle.
Oh,